Hey guys, welcome to our discussion on the center, part 3. Today we're going to focus on the gut. The gut, often referred to as the stomach or abdominals, is the most popular area of the center. Everyone seems to know about its importance as it relates to Pilates. Now that you've considered the importance of the back and seat, identify how the gut completes the center's trinity. When sitting tall, twisting, rounding, arching, and side bending, the gut is hard at work on its own. But it's the way it connects that brings control, strength, and coordination to each movement. Let me tell you that it's taken a tremendous amount of effort here to keep lifting in and up against gravity as I change directions. But without connected support all around my torso, the quality of movement would be compromised. So as you watch me move, allow yourself to focus on the center in a new way. Be curious and take that sense of discovery into your workouts. Once you've established the awareness of your center, we can go anywhere.